Hello, my above ground pool got a rip in it, so I bought this underwater pool patch. So this looks like it's got a little scrubby here, and it's a 6-inch patch, so that should match the bottom of my pool. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it actually came with 3 6-inch patches. I guess that's so you can match any surface. So that's what bottom of my pool looks like. And here's a solid blue one. Here's a clear one, and it comes with the scrubby pad. And they said to make sure you use a scrubby pad on it to get any algae or anything off of it before you put down the patch. And then it says to hold the patch down for 24 hours. So I don't know, maybe I'll have to put a brick in there or something to hold it down because mine's going in the pool with water. So, all right, let's see how this goes. All right, let's take a look at this rip before I repair it. Okay, I scuffed up the bottom around the hole, and now you take off this plastic backing here. Okay, I just stuck it on like a sticker. That was super easy. I wasn't sure if it was going to work because it's underwater, you know. But let me give you a closer look at it. It stuck real good, and it didn't like lift or anything. It looks perfect, so I think this is going to work. So if you need a pool patch, go ahead and get this brand. It's definitely worked good so far. So thanks.